This comes with this Velcro strip, and what's nice about it on the adhesive side, that it's marked where to cut it. This first one goes 51 inches. Helpful that they have this already measured out for you. I mean, that's really slick. That makes it really easy. Here it is completed. The soft shell cab enclosure is complete and it looks pretty good. There were some difficult things. Getting this back on, the roof back on, was a real challenge, but I think it's where it belongs. The instructions were adequate, but only just. And I'm still not confident that we've got everything where it belongs. I think there might yet be some adjustments that we're gonna have to make, but overall it went well. It was really good to have two people here to place the pieces where they belong and then make sure that the adhesive Velcro was placed in the right place also. These corners on each side were puckered, so I undid all the Velcro and moved things and just adjusted things to make it a little less puckery. And I think it turned out nice. It looks good that way. Other side as well, just not as puckered here. I think any rain or dripping water will come off of the roof all right. I think we're in good shape. Snowfall today, last night, probably 6 or 8 inches, and having put the tracks on the Can-Am makes it a lot easier to get things moved around. Works really well. One of the headaches of the tracks when I bought this Can-Am is these brackets here. The fellow that I bought them from had just cobbled together the nuts and bolts to keep things together, but they were of different sizes. That's maddening. So I chose this size because they're the ones that are recommended by the manufacturer, the Camzo. manufacturer, Camoplast as they're called now, and put them on this side as well. Also, in adjusting these things, you need to make sure that you have the right tension. I have a little tool for that, works well, and that the attack angle is correct. And that measurement is off the top of these back bogies, which has to be about 12.5 inches, which these are perfectly balanced. Here on the back, then the angle of attack is made by that bar right there. And things are in good shape. They're both where they belong. Life is good. All loaded up for the trip to the cabin. See how things look up there. Well, now it is extremely windy up here. No down trees from the wind, but a couple of leaners from the snowfall. There must be about, what do you think, Dylan? A little better than 2 feet, 2.5 maybe. The machine did well for the most part, but boy, it's struggling to get through this deep, wet, heavy snow. It's warmed up 46 degrees on the way up here today, so it had some struggle. It'll be a lot easier going out, especially following the tracks that we already made, but wow, very, very, very windy.